Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at the issue of burns from laser hair removal treatments at salons or clinics, and whether or not you can claim compensation if you've been the victim of negligence by said salons or clinics. Taking a look at the circumstances where you might be able to claim, along with how you can go about strengthening your claim with just a few easy to follow steps. I'll also be explaining how you can speak to someone from a law firm without having to pay a single penny in order for you to see what your options are when it comes to bringing a claim for a scar from a laser hair removal procedure. The use of laser hair removal has been on the rise over the past 20 years in beauty salons and clinics throughout the UK. When carried out correctly, it can have very effective results, with hair being removed right down to the follicle thanks to the intense pulses of concentrated, focused light that the procedure uses. However, it's important to note that if proper care and due diligence is not taken when the procedure is being carried out, burns can be caused. I'm happy to confirm that if you've received burns from laser hair removal treatment not being carried out with due diligence, then you may be entitled to compensation. Earlier on, I mentioned that I'd go into how you can speak to a personal injury claim specialist from a law firm completely free of charge in order to see what your options are. But first, I'm going to go over some of the things that you can do in order to help strengthen your claim, as it's important to show negligence on the part of those that carried out the procedure in order to successfully bring a claim. One of the easiest ways to help show this is to take photographs of the area affected where the procedure caused burns. You should also report your injuries to the salon or clinic where the procedure had taken place. This will mean that they'll have a record of your complaint and can start any investigation into it. Keep a copy of all information and correspondence from the clinic as well. Have your injuries assessed by a medical professional who will be able to advise you on how to deal with them as best as possible. This is especially important if the treatment was recent, as the advice you receive may mean that you're able to deal with the burns as effectively as possible. Also, make a note of when this assessment took place, as it will make it much easier to trace records at a later date. You should also keep track of all expenses incurred that you would not have otherwise incurred were it not for your injury. This can include travel costs, any medical treatment, any loss of earnings or potential future losses. Not only will this help prove that you've been having to deal with your injuries, but you may also be able to claim all of these expenses back. Now, I previously mentioned that I'd give you some information on how you can speak to someone from a law firm completely free of charge for you to see what your options are, and if you wish to do this, you can contact legalexpert.co.uk on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a successful claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay, and you don't have to worry about any upfront fees. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of